Hey guys, here is another question. If A is the set from 2 to 30 and this is an equivalence relation on A cross A defined by A comma B is equivalent to C comma D if and only if A multiplied by D is equals to B multiplied by C, then the number of ordered pairs which satisfies this equivalence relation with the ordered pair 4 comma 3 is. So we need to find out the ordered pairs from A that will satisfy this relation with these points. So let us look. I have AD is equals to BC, correct? And AB when is relation with 4 comma 3, this is the relation that will get. So this is C comma D, and C over here is 4, D is 3, so 3A is 4B, and A becomes 4 by 3 times B, and B must be a multiple of 3, correct? Because we don't need this 3 in the denominator, as A does not have an integer fraction value in it. So A should have A and B's relation clarifies that B should be a multiple of 3. That means B can be 3, 6, 9 or 30, correct? And A similarly becomes an integer because B makes the denominator in the relation A is equals to 4 by 3B disappear. So using that we can find out A must be less than or equal to 30. Because of looking at this set over here, I can say that A must be less than or equal to 30, as B is 10 numbers in this case. From 3 to 30 it is total 10 numbers, correct? So looking over here we can say that A comma B is 4 comma 3, can be 8 comma 6, can be 12 comma 9, can be 16 comma 12, can be 20 comma 15, 24 comma 18, 28 comma 21. Now these are only the 7 ordered pairs that we can get. Thank you.